Hey everyone. Welcome to part 9 of our Python series. Today, we'll recap key concepts from parts 7 and 8 on conditional statements and loops. Then dive into the while loop coding with practical examples. Let's get started.
Once I'll recap the previous things what we have discussed. Okay, and this is like assigning many values at a time. Okay, this was the thing I explained you, and I have shown you some W3 school part also, like how to follow them. Okay, go through that recording and try to understand all these things. Okay, and assigning one value to multiple variables, how we can do here. Multiple values you are assigning for multiple variables, and here one value you are assigning to one variable. Okay, and I have shown you how to swapping, how you can do swapping in Python. It's very easy. Like once if you are assigning some value, here see a comma b is equal to b comma a. If you go to C language or Java, you need to take one temporary variable, or otherwise you need to write some mathematical formula there. Here it is very easy. Okay. And we went through different operators, like when you take C language, many of them, like most of them know what are the different operators you have, right? Arithmetic, assignment, binary, bitwise, comma, conditional, increment, decrement, relative. Okay, these all operators I guess. And when we come to Python, basically this arithmetic operator. I'm not dealing with arithmetic operator. Okay. And as I told you, like just follow W3 schools or Java T point for basics. Even practice them also for some days. Until we enter into advanced topics, like we'll deal with NumPy, pandas. At that time, things will be different. Okay. When we are dealing with basic part, go through that W3 schools and Java T point. And if you want some other website also, I'll share with you that also. When you come to Python, these are important operators that you need to deal with. This comparison operators, everyone know this thing, right? Like less than or equal to, okay, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal to. These are the comparison operator I have explained you in the previous class. And next, here, just showing you this comparison operators, how you can take the different comparison operators. I'm just showing you this whole thing, so okay. And next, when we come to logical operators, you have different logical operators. Okay, we have and, or, not. Okay, same like this thing only. You know the gates, right? If both are true, both conditions are true, then it returns true value. Similarly, if one condition is false, it returns false. Okay, if both are false, then it is false. You know AND gate, right? It is same that way only. Same like AND gate only. Okay, and next, OR. It is same like OR gate. If you take two condition, one of the condition is true, then it returns true. If both are false, then it is false. Okay, and not condition. It's same like if you tell true, then what is a not condition? It is false. Opposite to the thing what we are given. Okay, true means false, false means true. Next, I have explained you this identity operators. Okay, what's the difference between identity operators? I have given some examples also here. Okay, is and is not. Okay, A and B. If you tell that A is B, A is not B, right? It is false. So it will raise an error. Like it shows the Boolean value false. Okay. Same like A is equal to B, you will tell, right? In the same way. How you take A equal to B? In the same way. A is B. A is not B. Same like A not equal to B. Okay. This works same like equal to and not equal to operator. Okay. And next we come to membership operator. Membership operators is very important. Okay. In and not in. Maybe if you take any list, if you're taking one element, you'll check whether you have this element in this list or not. Okay, by using this membership operator, we can get that thing. Okay. This sort of things, it will help you while you're doing some college placement coding and all. Okay. and try to attend all the classes of Python sessions, and not only Python sessions, attend all the sessions. Here I'll be giving different questions, basic questions. Okay, and still if you want to go up to advanced part, I'll guide you in that also. Okay, maybe here up to some medium level I'll deal here, but still if you want to deal some advanced questions and all, I'll guide you in that how to do it. Okay, this is related to membership operators. And next, conditional loops. What are the different conditional loops? If condition, like we have different conditional loops, right? If, while, for loop, different conditional loops we have. Okay, and here a very small condition. If condition is true, then statement will be executed. Okay, see here. If condition is true only, this will be executed. Okay, if condition is false, nothing will be printed. Why? Because we are not giving any else statement. Okay, here I'm giving some else statement. If condition is false, it will execute the else statement. If condition is true, it executes the if statement, if else. Okay, similarly, I have given some of them and nested if else also. Okay, some of the examples for nested if else also, how to take nested if else. Okay, these are the things what we have done in the previous class. Okay. Today, I want to deal with 1 minute. I want to deal with the while loop. Everyone know what is while loop, right? Here, yeah. Everyone know what is while loop, right? Here in this class. 1 minute. Yeah. Let me start. Let's deal with while loop. This is day 3. Okay. What is a condition for while loop? First, we'll deal with syntax. Okay. We'll deal with syntax. What will get the syntax? What will be the syntax here? If you take any syntax of while loop, here you got the condition, right? Syntax for if else we are taking this way. Then how you'll take for this thing, a while loop? Initially, what you need to do? Initially, is there something that you need to initialize for while loop? Is it required? Tell me, you can ping in the chat. If you are not texting anything now, you'll feel bored to listen the class. It's better if you try to have some, okay, communication with me. What you do? If you don't know, it's okay, but the one who know, you can ping in the chat. Initially, you need to initialize a variable, okay? Like I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 0, okay? Anything you can send in, uh, don't send direct chat, na? Send in chat only directly. Others can see it, okay? Yeah, initialize a variable, and then after that, while of condition, you will give a condition here, okay? And then after that, what you need to do? Here you will be writing the conditions here. If condition is true, statement will be executed for everything same, right? Okay. Indentation is very important. Remember indentation, we had a discussion regarding the indentation in the previous class. Okay. Go through that indentation now. If indentation is true, statement will be executed. Okay. And in that, we'll give some statements like increment or decrement. Okay, increment or decrement. Okay, we do this thing. This is syntax for while loop. Okay, whenever you take while loop, You need to focus on condition. If condition is true, this will be executed. You need to give some increment or decrement. Otherwise, it will fall into infinite loop, and your Jupyter notebook will get collapsed with it. Maybe if you have done something previously, if you are running this, okay, if you are giving some infinite loop, at that time your Jupyter notebook will get collapsed. Okay, you will lose the data. It will be difficult for you to retrieve the data. Okay, be careful while dealing with loops. Okay, while loop and for loop. Mostly we don't get any problem with for loop, but when you deal with while loop, be careful. It should not get into infinite loop. Okay, think before giving some logic here. Okay, so how you can print natural numbers? Um, Print natural numbers up to given number, and here it's like I'm entering into some coding part. Next we'll deal with a list tuple, other data types. Okay, list tuple, dictionary, and
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 10. And don't forget to subscribe to Classics Technologies for more Python tutorials.